What's going on, guys? Romero here with another adventure, and today we are taking a ride from Sebastian inlet over to, I believe, Fort Pierce. So this is kind of a sneak peek of a ride for something that Rhea and I have planned in the future. We've committed to doing the Bahama Challenge in June. So what that is, it's we're riding from Miami, Florida over to Bimini, Bahamas, and this is kind of like a practice run that the organizers of that group put together. This is a good way to test your machine. We're gonna do an ocean ride, like I said, to Fort Pierce, and then take the intercoastal back to here, Sebastian Inlet. So as you see, crew's getting ready. I'm pretty confident in my ability and Ree's ability to do an ocean ride for, 2 hours, 60 miles or whatever it is. So this is more of a chance for us to meet the group and, get to know who we're riding with, over to Bimini. So, yeah, enjoy the ride.
Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, guess I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Already cried
Hey guys, Romero here. We have made it over to I think it's Fort Pierce. It's about 40-mile ride. Ocean was, I'm not gonna say choppy. It had a couple of swells, 1 to 3 foot swells. So in certain cases, you know, if you take a bad drop from a 3 foot swell onto a 1 foot swell, it's pretty rough. But yeah, we made it here. Everybody's you know, refueling, eating. But so far, it's been a pretty good ride.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
we just talked about another sandbar. Take another little break. You shouldn't be too far from the boat ramp, but yeah, we're just coming right now. Recharging, refueling.
Whatever they cost when they.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Gotta pull the car up, but that was a pretty fun ride. Pretty rough at the end, but some of us made it, some of us didn't. Some of them stopped at the marina to get some gas. I guess they only brought like 5 gallons, so lesson learned. But overall fun ride, good practice.